Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create designs like this using the knife tool. To do this, select the knife tool or use the shortcut K. Select your object. Here in the top bar we see several options. I will start as it is and draw a wavy line over my shape. With the shortcut V we select the move tool and can pull the piece up and also choose a different color. With this option, we can draw straight lines. But we can also draw straight lines by holding down the Shift key. Here you can choose when the curve closes. I'll choose always. This is similar to the node tool. I'll be doing a detailed tutorial on that soon, so make sure to subscribe. I switch that off again. Here you can select the smoothness of the line. And if you enable Stabiliser, you have very strong control over the lines. And for this effect, we select the knife tool again and draw a straight line roughly in the middle while holding down Shift. Here you can see that we now have a group with all the shapes that were created from it. I double click to select the first one, hold down Shift and Command or Control on Windows and select all the others in the bottom row. Now I move it to the right while holding down the Shift key. Then I select the top row. Here we could choose a different color for certain styles. But I leave it white and click on Add at the top, so that it is a single object. With Command C and Command V, I make a copy and move it into the lower shape in the layer panel. Then I choose a darker color. Then I select the transparency tool shortcut Y. And drag it from bottom to top. It is important that you hold down the Shift key, otherwise it won't look so good. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching the video.